If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on the Google Pixel 11, what you can do is, first of all, we want to go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, you want to go to your Google account here to open these Google services, switch to All Services here in this place, and then you should be able to find Search, Assistant, and Voice. Now here we should be able to find the Google Assistant option, and we want to choose it. Even if you use Gemini, you still want to go to Google Assistant. And of course, I think it's safe to say that most of you use Gemini instead of Google Assistant, so for that reason, before you continue, you need to go to Digital Assistant from Google over here, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. This is actually necessary. There we go. And if you already use Google Assistant for some reason, you can skip that step. So now, we're gonna continue. We want to go to General here in these settings, and you can turn off Google Assistant. And there we go, confirm. And that's pretty much it. However, in addition to that, you might want to, let's say, remove the shortcut that we have on the power button, because by default, if you press and hold the power button, you can activate Gemini. So in order to turn it off as well, you want to go to System Settings on your phone, then proceed to Gestures, and here we have press and hold power button. So you will have Digital Assistant selected, you can switch that to the power menu. And another thing is that if you use gestures for navigation, there is a swipe gesture that activates Gemini. So if you go to the navigation mode in System Settings, and if you go to Settings for the gesture navigation, then of course over here we can turn off swipe to invoke the assistant. Now it's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.